Hello, welcome to Superiorhair and Cutie Tresses' first video. My name is Stuart Angus. I'm the founder and the director of the companies. In 2002 I moved from the UK to New Zealand, and in 2004 I set up the company Superiorhair. I set up the company, my aim was to give ladies envious hair and also give men confidence in wearing hairpiece and toupees. And another aim I had was to give people comfort that are suffering from cancer and getting chemotherapy treatment. This is only achievable with high quality, low cost hair products. This is the reason I started Superior and started importing hairpieces, hair extensions and men's toupees. I supplied retail and wholesale across Australia and New Zealand, and when I see my customers happy with their long hair, this makes me happy. When I see my wholesale clients grow their hair extension business and become more successful, I feel as if everything I've done so far has been more valuable. Through all my years of operating my business, I just have one question for wholesale hair salons like me. Are you sick of receiving inconsistent quality, high-cost hair products? Human hair extensions and wigs are, after all, a natural resource. I was once in your position, receiving extensions and wigs that varied in colour and quality regardless of expense. Discussing doesn't work. Increasing the price you pay for your products doesn't work. I've tried over and over to make sure I get the right product every time. It doesn't work. I had enough. The only solution was to make the products myself. I set up my own hair factory in Qingdao, China in 2015. By having my own supply of hair, I was able to control quality, choosing hair used to make my products. Now all my problems I had previously with hair extensions and wigs are solved. I can guarantee you my own products solve my problems, and therefore they will solve yours too. My products now are considered some of the best in the world. I can provide you the same products, all at the same quality, price than the rest of the market, because I understand what it is like to be in your position. Of course, if you're interested and want to learn a bit more, click on the link below and contact us. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Give us a like and a follow, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.